Welcome to my channel. Today we're going to look at the top 5 herbal teas for better sleep. Now, herbal teas are made from a variety of herbs, spices, and plants that offer a range of health benefits, including supporting better sleep. These teas are caffeine-free and can be enjoyed before bed without the worry of disrupting your sleep. Let's dive in. Number 1. Chamomile tea. Chamomile tea is well known for its relaxing properties. It contains compounds called flavonoids, which have been shown to promote relaxation and calmness. The most common type of chamomile used in tea is German chamomile, which is known for its apple-like flavor and numerous health benefits. To make chamomile tea, simply steep a teaspoon of dried chamomile flowers in boiling water for 5 to 10 minutes. You can drink it plain or add a little honey to enhance its soothing effects. Number 2. Lavender tea. Lavender is not just a fragrant flower, but also has calming properties that can help with sleep. The scent of lavender has been shown to reduce anxiety and promote relaxation. To make lavender tea, use culinary lavender buds or lavender essential oil. Add a teaspoon of lavender buds to boiling water and let it steep for 5 to 10 minutes. Strain the tea and add a little lavender essential oil to enhance the flavor and aroma. For those who don't like the taste of lavender tea, you can also try lavender-scented sleep sprays or mists to help you relax before bed. 3. Passionflower tea. Passionflower tea is known for its calming properties. It contains compounds that can help reduce anxiety and promote relaxation. To make passionflower tea, steep a teaspoon of dried passionflower in boiling water for 5 to 10 minutes. You can drink it as is or add a little lemon balm to enhance its relaxing effects. 4. Linden tea. Linden tea is a popular choice for those seeking relaxation and stress reduction. This tea has a sweet floral flavor and can help calm the mind and body. To make linden tea, steep a teaspoon of dried linden flowers in boiling water for 5 to 10 minutes. You can drink it as is or add some honey to enhance its soothing effects. 5. Rose tea. Rose tea is not only delicious, but also has calming properties. The scent of roses has been shown to reduce stress and promote relaxation. To make rose tea, steep a teaspoon of dried rose petals in boiling water for 5 to 10 minutes. You can drink it as is or add a little honey to enhance its relaxing effects. In addition to these teas, there are also other herbal infusions and supplements that can help with sleep, such as valerian root, hops, and lemon balm. If you're looking for a more potent sleep aid, consult with a healthcare professional who can guide you on the appropriate dosage and usage. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please like and share for more health and wellness tips. Sweet dreams!